So you're probably wondering, how the heck did I end up here? Let me explain.
Yeah! Let's go! Alright, okay. Alright, okay.
Now this story goes back to our first time bringing out Jack, our all-wheel drive Challenger Hellcat, to Roadkill Nights.
Mike Galimi with us for a few minutes is really special. The pair of Challengers going down now.
That was a red eye? That was a red eye! Oh my god! Dude, that was a red eye.
Now the reason why this event is such a big deal is because I was at a crossroads. I didn't know what else to do. How do you do something even cooler? You know, we did the Hellcat Miata, I did my burnt Hellcat, I've done a bunch of crazy projects, and now I got an all-wheel drive Challenger Hellcat. Safe to say, I felt pretty lost. That was until I saw the Dodge Charger Banshee. Now the car does look nice, but unfortunately, it didn't sound that great. It doesn't replace that V8 sound. And I know that a lot of these companies, what they're all focusing on is all-wheel drive to outperform all muscle cars. So I thought to myself, I already have an all-wheel drive Challenger Hellcat. Why can't we just do an all-wheel drive Charger Demon? And so I rushed back home looking for a Charger to bid on. And I found the perfect one.
Let's go! We won ourselves a Hellcat.
Phoenix all over again.
Phoenix, I won that one for $5,000.
Now we gotta enter the Copart competition.
Now that we secured the car, we had to go get it. And the car was located in Spokane, Washington, which is across the country. So I had to take a flight to California, hot shot up to Spokane, Washington. Drive to Michigan, pick up more cars, and get back to Jacksonville, Florida, so we could start tearing into this car. I know what you guys are probably thinking. Why you got another project? Why the hell is it a bird car? And why are you introducing it? Why the hell not? Why not? Because Dodge dropped the ball, turned this heap of coal into the world's first all-wheel drive Charger Demon. There's a good ring to it.
It does?
Yeah.
I think the only good thing on it was what you already took off.
They didn't need to know that.
Which is the rims.
I borrowed a few things from the car already. I'm not gonna lie. This baby's got a lot of potential.
This definitely smells like a burnt car.
Yeah, for sure. You know how you know that a car is good?
How?
All the stuff under the carpet and you can still see the color of the paint. You see the floor? This thing looks immaculate. This floor, Phoenix didn't even look this good. Everything is good. Now that's a plus. It's good. The latch works. No, I'm just joking. It's not that.
Didn't Phoenix's latch work?
No, Phoenix's latch was gone. Phoenix was just complete toes. This car has way better starting point than what Phoenix had. So all these plastics, everything it's freaking mint. Like you can still see
the rubber is still there.
You see, bro, this is a good.
Well, half of the rubber.
Yeah, half the rubber. Now the cool thing is, look, we even got the sticker on the door. You see that? This is the OEM sticker.
It's still there.
It's still there. It's still good. So the motor we know got super hot because. Here, look it. I'll show you guys. I already kind of see Phoenix's engine. That was the one side. The body on Phoenix was horrible, but the motor was mint. This car,
it
the
actually
body
could have been ran the way it was.
I swear, I think this was an insurance job because when I did look at the rear end, you could see where they were smoking tires. Like this car, they had some fun with it, and then I think someone ran it into the front right here. Cause look at this. Yeah, if you can see it, no, it looks like someone got under something because right here, it was like.
Yeah, it's pushed down. And look, the supercharger still spins. Look.
Oh yeah, we didn't even show that. Yeah. The water pump is good too. I had to borrow it. I'm just saying. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's suit up and take this thing apart. You ready?
Let's do it.
Strange light revolves around you. You float across the room. Your touch is made of something heaven can hold a candle to. You're made of something new.
There you go, you unlocked it. See if the cable's there's a cable right there.
I can't even see it.
You can't see it?
There we go. Look at that. Oh, it looks good. Look at you can even see. Look at the plastic still has the sticker on it with the VIN number. With the VIN number. Actually, no, that's part of the door panel. The door panel got melted onto there. Look at those are the tabs for the door panel. Remember the ones? Yep. Oh wow. Well, the tabs are still good though. Yeah, we gotta save these tabs. These are like $5 at the damn dealership.
No, goodness gracious. As you put them down and they'll get lost.
They won't get lost. All right, let's see how we get this.
Bro, will they get lost?
No. They're in inventory.
That's inventory.
That's inventory.
See? Go ahead, have at it. There you go. Did you get it on the camera? Yeah. I don't think y'all got it on camera. You got it?
I got it.
Woo!
I'm the muscle row.
You got that, right?
I got it.
He was feeling strong for a second, and no.
Wow, I think we can save the window tint.
You think so?
I think so.
Oh, bro, look at the lock and unlock. It's right here.
Is it? Oh, hold on.
Oh,
Hold on.
yep,
Hold
it's
on.
unlocked.
You ready?
It is? Yeah, it's unlocked.
Yeah, we gotta pull.
Oh, shit,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Hold on. You ready, bro?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, hold on. There we go.
Let's go!
Yes. All right, I'm gonna take this one off too.
Woo!
Yeah. That's good.
That's brand new.
Oh wow, that's funny.
Brand new, see?
That was funny.
We're gonna just take the rest of the doors off.
Yes, we judged it by the rug.
Yeah.
Yes, you gotta judge it by the rug, you know? Now, leave a like for the wife on Mother's Day because we're gonna try to get it stripped down
And put the video.
and put the video out on Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there.
The husbands are gonna get in trouble though watching the video.
No, they won't. They're gonna be rocking on hitting that like button for you. There we go. Yeet! No, I look like I didn't even work.
Exactly.
I knew you were gonna try to say that. See, I set him up with the alley-oop, but look at the hand. The bugs are starting to attack us, and it's not fun. So we're gonna just wait till tomorrow, and we're gonna continue this. And at least we got the doors off tonight. Tomorrow we'll drop all the drivetrain, me and the wife on Mother's Day. So again, say happy Mother's Day to the wife because she's pulling a big one just for you guys. Morning, guys. Picking up where we left off last night. Now we haven't gone through the entire car yet, but the back, when I was soaking it this morning, looks like all the computers and all the stuff in the rear look good. We might have more useful stuff in this car than I thought. Oh, too much sauce. All right, time to suit up. Look who decided to wake up early for Mother's Day. You could have slept in a little longer, you know that, right?
I know. But I felt lazy.
You felt lazy? What we got left to do is, I already pulled out the front end. We just gotta drop it down and put the jack on the back, and this whole thing is gonna go.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't ever lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My brilliant, I'm mad. A brilliant, her man now. Everybody got the same sweat now. Why the way that I chat now?
One thing I wanted to show you guys is the trans, because this car definitely was an insurance job. That definitely wasn't done by the fire. Somebody was racing or something, and they crashed it, because
That's the clutches.
look at that.
The clutch.
Just blew up.
Yeah, it blew the transmission up really bad.
It reminds me of what happened to my buddy John from Boosted Motorsports when his transmission blew when he took it racing. I think they were racing it, crashed it, and then they realized,
How bad it was.
and they're like, you know what, we're gonna light this thing on fire. It's all on the inside.
Or that started it.
No, because the underneath wasn't even damaged. And if you think about it, if the fuel line and outside would have got to it, it would have got the fuel lines and it would have smoked everything underneath. It was just all interior.
inside.
Yeah, it was all inside. And there's nothing inside that would cause. If any of you guys got any info on this car or know about this car or the owner, I would love to hear the story. Because right now,
I'm gonna tell you the story if it was an insurance job. They can come forward.
off camera, I will tell you off camera. I will give you the benefit of the doubt and just be like, yeah, you know, a freak wiring accident. But what's even funnier is, let's say if it was the power, bro, the main power wire, No, it's perfectly fine. That's the main power wire right there. It's brand new. And I guarantee you, as we keep going, it's gonna be perfect fine.
No, they threw gasoline in there because it's all top.
Yeah.
And then it just melted down. It didn't come from underneath because the floor is fine.
Yeah, the floor is
fine.
I already know. I looked at the carpet. Look at that. If the carpet's good, the frame is good.
Yeah. That carpet holds some heat.
Yeah, man.
Got the Hellcat tachometer, man.
Touch that thing is gone.
It's still there.
Yeah, okay.
It's still there.
Uh-huh.
You don't see the little cat?
I do not see the little cat, bro. Not at all.
The U-Connect is good.
The U-Connect is still good?
Is it? I got the bone.
I think you can send out to get the LCD display built. Now you guys know I'm no stranger to cleaning out burnt cars, but this one, I had a few tricks up my sleeve. The first one is water and soap. Now to some people that's obvious, but honestly, I didn't even know that. My buddy Edwin was the one that gave us a heads up and told us, hey, use Tide soap with a spray cannon and hose the entire car down, and that's going to be a lot easier when you start taking everything apart. As you can see, he's not even wearing a suit, and we bought him one, but he did not want to use it. But anyways, now the hardest part in this entire strip process was taking those seats out. Both of them were electronic and you could not move them to get to the bolts. So we had to be very careful cutting them out. And now that we had figured out how to cut it on one side, and we took that same process, did it on the other side, and before you knew it, got all that stuff cleared out, the frame was looking amazing, and it was time to head to the trunk and see what was inside. I want to know if the speaker's underneath that damn machine.
There ain't no
Oh, they
speaker.
took it out.
No, this one didn't come with it. This one come with it.
Oh, they don't?
No.
I thought Hellcats came with it.
No, not all of them. You could try washing it with
It's burnt though, right here, isn't it? This is hard.
We'll see.
Water in there.
Laguna Premium Leather, damn. That was really uneventful. I honestly thought that there was going to be something in the trunk, at least a speaker system, if not something that someone had left behind. But unfortunately, all we got was an empty trunk with a bunch of water and a dead bee.
Look at that big ass bee, man.
Damn.
Juice. The moment that bee walked up in and he realized.
Yeah. But on the bright side, at least the fire didn't make its way to the trunk. You guys remember when we had Phoenix? The entire rear end, because of the gas tank, was destroyed. But on this car, this thing is brand spanking new. So now it's just a matter of cleaning all the soot off and seeing how much damage is really done to this car. All right, ladies and gentlemen, car is officially stripped, literally.
It's nice and clean. Thanks to him.
Yeah, shout out to Edwin. Big shout out
Because
to
we
Edwin.
know it ain't him.
Oh, you guys go. Shout out to Edwin for the cleaning. Edwin, I think you need to hang around more and help me clean the shop.
You're very messy. She'll be up and running next week.
Yep, up and running next week. You heard it from Edwin. Now I got to schedule a dustless blasting. If you guys are in the Jacksonville area, let me know. But we're going to have to get all this sandblasted.
This.
Yeah.
And
But
this.
the only thing that looks like we're going to have to really replace will be that front piece and this roof, which...
No sunroof?
No sunroof. I'm getting rid of sunroof. Listen, this is going to be an all-wheel drive Demon. All-wheel drive Demon don't need no sunroof.
First all-wheel drive Demon Charger.
World's only all-wheel drive Demon Charger. We're going to eliminate the sunroof.
Eliminate the roof. Convertible.
Convertible top Demon. Nah.
Challenging.
They have them made.
No, we're not doing that. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing it. No, we have to get this sandblasted. Anybody know anyone in the Jacksonville area? I am thinking of a guy already that I'm trying to work with so we can get this finished up and get it blasted so that by the next video, it's already just blasted and primed. And then we're figuring out how we're going to just do the drivetrain and already start cutting out and doing all the stuff for the all-wheel drive conversion.
You can have my all-wheel drive Charger. I'll take this one. I mean Challenger. I'll take
I
this.
get Jack.
Yeah, you can get Jack. I'll take this one. This will be Snow White.
Snow White? Okay. Snow White. Well, stay tuned. You guys see one episode. Things stripped. So, next episode, it'll be running.